Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I'm Melania Sofyan and I'm from EIN Palangkaraya. In this video, I want to explain about one article, and the article is about jigsaw method. Okay, before I go to the article, do you know what is the jigsaw method? Okay, if you know about the jigsaw method, please comment in this video. Well, next is, before I go to the content of the article, I want to introduce about the article. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the title of the article is The Effect of Jigsaw Methods to Improve EFL Student Vocabulary Ability. With the author is Johannes P. F. Arviani and Hasni Neno from Timor University. The article published on October 31, 2018. Okay, that is about the article. And next, I want to tell you about the content of the article. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first jigsaw has first experimented by the Elliot Aronson and colleagues in Texas University. And jigsaw learning has been developed to as a cooperative learning to teach speaking, listening, writing, and reading. And the jigsaw method has many benefits in the learning in the classroom. There is student can improve the learning and class dynamics, and students can make the interaction more outside from the class and development activities. And the jigsaw can make the student who be shy and quiet in the classroom to make the interaction fully in the classroom. And the jigsaw method can make the learning be efficient. So the jigsaw method can make time is saving. Well, that is about the benefits from jigsaw methods. And next is the principle from the jigsaw method. Okay, as the article I have been read before, the principle of the jigsaw method is the student is in the small group and in the positive interdependence, and student is in some learning that have cooperative skill, so that student can interaction to solve problem together. That is the principle from jigsaw methods. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before the definition and the benefits and principle of jigsaw method, we can know jigsaw method is the some learning activity. If we can say the learning is as a cooperative learning, that when the learning is make the student in a small group, in one group with their friends, and the student can make the interaction from one and other friends in their group. So in the jigsaw method to improve EFL student vocabulary ability, in the jigsaw method, the classroom, the learning is make the cooperative learning with the small group, and in the group, student can interaction with other people, and they can make the discussion in their group, and in the discussion is have many interaction with the many vocabulary in their group, so the student can learning from the other people and can sharing the vocabulary in their group, because as we know, so the in the group is so make the conversation, make the different vocabulary in their group, so the student can learning and sharing the vocabulary, and the student can improve their vocabulary with the jigsaw method in their group. So that is why the jigsaw method can improve the vocabulary ability of the student, and that is as we know, and that is I think about the jigsaw methods and about the article, and the conclusion from the article is jigsaw method is the cooperative learning that make small group to make the interaction from the student group, that the student can improving their skill, their vocabulary ability from the other people, from the other friends. So that is about the article with the title The Effect of Jigsaw Method to Improve EFL Student Vocabulary Ability. I think that's all. So thank you for your attention, and I hope the video that make the about the article can give you some benefits and can give you the knowledge about the jigsaw method, and I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.